Imagine having your AI agent, one that works for you, thinks for you and builds for you. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create an AI agent on Creator.bid, even if you've never built one before. However, before we get started, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, do support our channel by buying our educational token WikiCat, which is built on the BSC chain. The contract address will be in the description. Thank you. Let's dive in, guys. So to create your own AI agent on Creator.bid, I forgot to mention that I'll be using the OKX wallet, so let's click it right here. So guys, to create an AI agent on Creator.bid, you'll first need to purchase the platform's native token first, which is currently on Base and BSC. So assuming you're buying that of the Base network, you'll first need to fund your wallet with some ETH base. If it's that of BSC, you'll need to fund your wallet with some BNB. So to buy the token, click explore at the bottom screen and type in bid. So this is it, guys. We could see two bids. The first one is that of the Base network, while the second is that of BSC. Tap on the first one. Let's tap on it. Then let's click trade and just swap your Base ETH for your bid, guys. That's it. So you've purchased. That's it on how to purchase your bid token. So once you're done, head back to explore and type in Creator.bid. So let's scroll down. Under the apps, we could see Creator.bid. Let's click it. Yeah, go to Creator.bid. Let's click go to Creator.bid. So the next step is to click launch your agent now. So we could see create an AI agent. We could also see generate profile picture, guys. So let's click create an AI agent. Now what you want to do right here is just whatever you want, what do you want your AI agent to be about? Do you want it to be about entertainment? Do you want it to be about education? All you have to do is just state it, okay guys, and that perfect AI agent will be built for you, okay guys? So just say you want your AI agent to be about whatever, and Creator.bid will provide it for you. So once you're done, you then click on generate profile picture. So generate a profile picture of, state what sort of profile picture you want. Do you want the profile picture to be like a person in class teaching kids? Do you want it to be like group of people watching movie? Whatever it is, just state it depending on the theme of the AI agent, okay guys? All you have to do is just describe how you want your AI agent to be, and Creator.bid will provide it for you. That's it, guys. Just say whatever it is. That's what creating an AI agent is all about, guys. So once you're done, you just click go, and ta-da, you've created your AI agent, guys. That's it. You've just learned how to create your own AI agent from start to finish. Thank you for watching. I hope the video was helpful. Feel free to drop your questions or comment in the comment section, and don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button for more educative content. Bye. See you in our next video.